Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking, and I welcome you all on board. So, here we are going to learn about how to take off. So, today our topic is takeoff basically. So, we'll be covering everything related to flight training like takeoff, climb, cruise, descent, landing, flare height, when to round out, and everything. So today we'll be discussing more about taking off. So let's just start with it. First of all, I'll show you I've already set up the cockpit. So let's just zoom in a little bit. So here is the altitude. You can see I've set it up to 1800 feet. My elevation is set to 840. Course is set to 273 and my heading is 274, and this is the ASI, which is airspeed indicator. Here you can see the airspeed, and this is known as the vertical speed indicator. So this basically means it will be showing you the rate of climb and rate of descent per minute. And here you can see the V speeds are already provided on the screen. The rotation speed is 55, best angle of climb you can see is 62, glide speed is 68, and best rate of climb is 74. So no wind data is provided, and my airport is already set to VAJL. Distance is 0.50 nautical miles, and my frequencies are already set. So let's just start with the takeoff procedure. So here I'm on runway 27, and before taking off, the most important thing is, and the first step is, your trim is set to take off, your flaps are set to take off, my parking brakes are released, and I have put my heels on the floor. Once your heels are on the floor, then you are going to add full power. When you add full power, you have to start applying slight touch of right rudder to come on the center line. So you have to keep the airplane to the center line, and once the SI becomes alive, that is your airspeed indicator becomes alive and it reaches to 40, you are going to neutralize the control. Once you neutralize the control by giving slight back pressure, at 50 you'll be giving again a slight back pressure. And at 55, which is the rotation speed, you are going to rotate. And once you rotate, that doesn't mean that you're going to climb up more than 10 degrees. You have to keep the nose up to 7.5. And let's just start. So now my flaps are already set. My flaps are set to take off. Parking brakes release. I'm starting to add power. So I've started adding power. Slight touch of right button. Come on the center line. Slight touch of right button. Come on the center line. SI1 is alive. 40, I'll neutralize the control. 50, I'll start giving back pressure. And 55, I'll rotate. So back pressure, right rudder, wing slip. Back pressure, right rudder, and wing slip. Maintain heading of 274. Keep on climbing. Keep the nose down. Keep the nose down. Yeah, there. So back pressure, right rudder, and wings level. Back pressure, right rudder, wings level. Keep on climbing. Keep on climbing. Keep on climbing. So this is a perfect takeoff. So 980, we are going to tap on the brakes. 1040, I'm putting my landing lights off. 1140, speed above 64, flaps goes up. Gently pull the nose up because it has the tendency to go down. So we put the nose up, maintain 274, and my fuel pump goes off. So this is the attitude where you have to keep, and this is how you take off. And we are currently climbing at the airspeed of 80 knots, which is the correct. We are maintaining the heading of 274 and we are still climbing. So I have trimmed the aircraft right here to, so that the aircraft climbs and you don't have any pressure on the controls, and you have released the controls as we have already stated that we have to level it off, and we'll be discussing about it in the next class. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you have enjoyed
taking off with me. So the next chapter which we'll be discussing is about the climb, the turns, and moreover coming to the straighten level. How do you climb and how do you level out the aircraft? So we'll be discussing more about that. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Signing off.